Hey there, Mr. Johnston here with an explanation of how your absolute last evidence of learning for 7th grade science is going to work. So this week we are talking about the greenhouse effect, and your job on this evidence of learning is to share and explain what you know about it. This evidence of learning has two parts. First, you're going to explain and you're going to define the greenhouse effect. That will happen in this first table. You can use this image to help you explain how it works in detail, and you can use your understanding and resources to help define the greenhouse effect in this first space. The second part is a claim evidence reasoning, a CER like we've done before this year. Now, what's a little different about this CER is that I have already given you your claim. The greenhouse effect is warming the earth. Your job is to provide evidence or proof for this claim and provide reasoning or a clear explanation that connects your evidence to the claim that you have been provided. Now, you'll notice that we have included the graph we've talked about as part of your evidence. This graph by itself does not count as any evidence. Your job is to explain what is going on in this graph and how it connects to the claim. Your explanation is what's going to count as evidence. Now, a couple of tips for you. Of course, this video you are already watching is explaining what to do. You should be describing the graph in part 2 as part of your evidence section. And if you're a person who, as I would recommend, is using resources to help answer these questions, I suggest you use TCI, our reading from these past few days, in this Unit 8, Lesson 27, Section 5. That talks about the greenhouse effect, and that could lead you to a stronger response for part 1 and for part 2. Now, your instructions are going to be on the big screen for when you finish this assignment. Make sure you submit this assignment. Make sure you submit this assignment. If you have any questions, you should raise your hand and I will come visit you. Please do not walk around the classroom, and definitely do not talk to your neighbor. This is our last one. I am excited to see what you come up with. I know you can do this.